What's your name? Augie. It's lovely to meet you.
Who are you?
I am Evan. I'm going to paint the new sign.
Ah, you're going to paint the new sign.
The sign will say, welcome.
Let's love sign. Welcome. Welcome. You sign. Welcome. Good. Welcome.
Evan is a great painter. But Sonny is really good.
What did you say? Okay. Joe, do you want to go skating?
Let's love sign. Go. Go. You sign. Go. Good. Go.
Do you want to go skating?
Yes, I have a board.
You have no trucks.
No trucks for the wheels on the skateboard.
Truck, my second delivery. Wait here. Trucks.
I don't think they're the right trucks, Joe. I think they're the trucks you need, man.
Trucks.
Yes, Joe. Same as these ones. Oh, man.
Evan put the trucks and wheels on my skateboard, and now I'm ready to skate.
All right there, Joe.
I think I need a drink.
Well, I think there's a cafe over there. I don't think there's any gas for the fizz.
Gas? My third delivery! Wait here! Run!
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Oh, look, here he comes.
Gas!
Thank you, Joe.
Now, can we have a fizzy drink?
Yeah.
I'm sure we can, yeah.
Yeah.
Drink, yeah.
it's time for me to go. I've had a great day. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.